Shankwaila Yundon, Kyugentia Sino Afro. Dajahao, MOSSCKY, Walaisa Sino Afro. Today we are going to be learning another hot dance tutorial of a routine that we posted on our YouTube channel and all our other media platforms. Thank you so much for loving us. Let's dive right into it. Okay, so the first move is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, so from here you go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. So from here you go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, so from here you go back 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so from here we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the top 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Back to the chorus. 1 and 2 and pop. 3 and 4 and pop. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1 and 2 and 3 and pop and pop and pop. And 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. So when you reach here you go to the slow-mo part. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. This is 4 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Boom. Back to the chorus. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Okay, so these are the moves basically that were in that routine. It's just that in the routine we did them over and over again so that you, our beloved fans, can keep up with the hit of the routine. Okay, so I'm gonna do it again, one from the beginning, one more time. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, pop, pop, pop. 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 And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, parada. 1, 2, pop, pop. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, paraba. 1, 2, pop, pop. 1, 2, 3, 4 and again from top. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, boom, boom, boom. 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 And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Back to the chorus. 1, da da da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, da da da. 1, da da. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Okay. So when you reach this part, we go to the slow motion. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay? So once you reach this part, you go back to the chorus, okay? As you see in the routine how it goes, you go back to the chorus then until the end, okay? So I'm going to correct just a few moves then after we go on. So the first move is this, and this is 4 times, okay? Second move, this, and also this is 4 times, okay? Boom. So third move is this. This also you do it 4 times, okay? Then boom, boom, pa pa pa, and boom, boom, pa pa pa. Fourth move is this. This one, it's a combination, it's only 2 times, okay? So, and then the last move is this. This one is 4 times, okay? So, that was our dance tutorial for today. Thank you so much, and don't keep it up with supporting us and subscribing to our channel. We're still bringing in more content, educative and entertaining. Thank you. MOSSCKY, Sino Afro. Peace and love.